In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay BPI credit card bills using GCash. By the end, you'll feel confident making a secure payment in just a few taps, without waiting in line or juggling multiple apps. First, open the GCash app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. A stable internet connection really helps here so the payment goes through smoothly. From the home screen, look for the Bills section and tap it. This is where GCash organizes all the billers you can pay. Next, tap on Credit Card. This narrows down the billers to banks and credit card providers. The list can be long, so take your time and scroll through carefully. When you see BPI credit card, tap it. If you don't spot it right away, keep scrolling. It's usually listed under the letter B. Now you'll be asked for your payment details. Start by entering the amount you want to pay. It's smart to match or exceed the minimum due, and if you can, pay the total amount due to avoid interest. Double-check that you've typed the amount correctly before moving on. Then, enter your account number and account name. For the account number, type the 16-digit number printed on the front of your BPI credit card. For the account name, enter the cardholder's name exactly as it appears on the card. Accuracy matters here. Any typo can cause delays or failed payments. When everything's filled out, tap Next. You'll see a summary screen showing the biller, the amount, and the account details you just entered. Take a moment to review every line. Make sure the amount is correct, the 16-digit card number has no missing or extra digits, and the name matches your card. If something looks off, go back and edit it before proceeding. Once you've confirmed all the details are correct, tap Confirm. That's it. Your payment will be processed. In many cases, GCash posts payments quickly, but depending on cut-off times and system availability, it may take a little while to reflect on your credit card account. Paying at least a business day before your due date is a good habit to avoid late fees. If you see a confirmation screen after submitting, keep a record of it. Having a reference number is helpful for your own tracking. And if you ever need help, you can check your GCash transaction history to make sure the payment is recorded. You've now paid your BPI credit card bill using GCash. Simple, fast, and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough makes your next payment even easier.